What's up guys? In the mid of 2020, if you're looking to buy a flagship killer smartphone, then this video is for you. Flagship killer smartphones are the smartphones which offers flagship like camera and powerful performance at a mid-range price. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. The most awaited mid-range powerful flagship killer smartphone of the year 2020 is the POCO F2 Pro. POCO F2 Pro was launched on 12th May 2020 in China, will be available in the month of June and July 2020 in many countries of the world. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch of touchscreen display with a full HD Plus resolution and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The POCO F2 Pro is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which is the powerful one till now, and comes with the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The POCO F2 runs Android 10 out of the box and it is powered by 4700 mAh of battery, comes with the fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the POCO F2 Pro on the rear packs a 64MP primary camera, a second 13MP camera, a third 5MP camera and a fourth 2MP camera that offers amazing picture quality, and it also sports a 20MP camera on the front for taking beautiful selfies. The phone has got everything that you find in a flagship like smartphone, and the expected price of this phone is around $350 to $400 in the international market. Links are given in the description, you can check the more details from there. Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Huawei has just announced a new phone in its P40 series of smartphone. The Huawei P40 Lite 5G, an upgraded version of the Huawei P40 Lite that the company launched recently. The Huawei P40 Lite 5G brings alongside upgraded silicon powerful chipset, a better primary camera and of course 5G support. The phone features a 6.5 inches of LTPS LCD panel with HDR10 support at full HD Plus resolution. On the inside, the phone is powered by the new Silicon Kirin 820 5G octa-core chipset coupled with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. On the back, the phone features a quad camera setup comprised of 64MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro lens with a 2MP of depth sensor. On the front, it has 16MP of selfie shooter to take beautiful selfies. The Huawei P40 Lite 5G packs a 4000 mAh of battery, which is a downgrade from the 4200 mAh of unit on the P40 Lite. But on the flip side, the phone offers a 40W fast charging, which is capable of providing 70% of charge in just 30 minutes. The expected price of this phone is around $400 in the international market. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Honor X10 series. Honor X10 5G and Honor X10 Pro was launched on May 20th, 2020. So during the making of this video, the final specification were not available, so the specification which I am showing in this video are obtained from a tipster. The report claims that the vanilla Honor X10 5G and Honor X10 will feature a 6.63-inch LCD display and will be powered by Silicon Kirin 820 chipset. It was also added that both the phone will feature 4200 mAh of battery that supports 22.5W fast wireless charging. However, the Honor X10 Pro is further set to support 20W wireless charging option. Additionally, the vanilla Honor X10 5G is tipped to feature 60Hz refresh rate display, while the Honor X10 Pro is set to feature a 90Hz refresh rate display. Coming to the cameras, the triple camera setup on the Honor X10 5G will reportedly include a 40MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide shooter along with a macro camera. On the other hand, the Honor X10 Pro is tipped to include a 40MP RYYB sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide shooter and an 8MP periscope style telephoto camera. The price of the Honor X10 5G is $350 to $400 in the international market, whereas X10 Pro comes at a price of $500 in the international market. Eco, the sub-brand of Vivo, has launched two new phones, Eco Z1 and Eco Z1 5G. The Eco Z1 is a powerful mid-range phone which is also a flagship killer, offers great specification at a mid-range price. The phone is powered by the latest and powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to its display, it has got 6.67 inches of 144Hz refresh rate display with a full HD Plus resolution. As far as cameras are concerned, it is expected to feature a quad rear camera at the back, comprises of 48MP primary camera, 12MP plus 8MP plus 2MP other camera sensor. It also comes with a 16MP of front selfie camera housed inside a punch hole in the display. The phone packs 4500 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. Vivo's sub-brand Eco is known for their powerful mid-range phone, and this is another powerful phone added to the Eco series. Links are given in the description. You can check the more details from there. Vivo S6 5G. Vivo S6 5G is already launched in China and will be launched in other countries in the month of June or July 2020. In China, Vivo S6 is priced at 2698 yuan, which is approximately 28,000 Indian rupees and $400 in the international market. Coming to the specification, the dual SIM Vivo S6 comes with the Android 10 with a FunTouch OS 10 running on top. It features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 20:9. The phone is powered by Exynos 980 octa-core processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to the optics, it includes a 48MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle shooter and a 2MP macro sensor with a 2MP depth sensor. The camera features on the Vivo S6 includes a 4K video shooting, night scene, portrait, panorama, dynamic photo, AR cut shoot, short video, professional mode, slow motion and many such features. On the front, it has got a 32MP camera which takes amazing selfies. The phone packs a large 4500 mAh of battery, comes with the 18W fast charging support. So this is a beautifully looking phone, comes at a very affordable price of $400 in the international market. Links are given in the description. You can check the more details from there. So these are some of the best upcoming phones from the month of June to December 2020, and these phones are mid-range phones that offers great specification at an affordable price. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel.